Hi, this is Tony from Top Dog Marketing, bringing you news and reviews for products in the internet marketing space. And today I'd like to bring to your attention a product called Minute Kit by Cindy Donovan. And I have some bonuses for you as well if you decide to purchase through my link. Now, Cindy is an experienced online marketer who has helped other marketers with her knowledge and expertise and to become profitable. And she is just coming out with her latest product called Minute Kit. Let's take a look at it. What is Minute Kit? It's 7 high-value business-in-a-box membership sites. It's actually 7 products in one, completely profit-ready and automated, all set up and ready for you to profit from in under a minute. Minute Kit is a bundle of 7 membership websites complete with lead magnets, automated sales systems, funnels for each, upsells, downsells, cross-sells, all working for you. With these 7 products, they've covered all of the hottest selling internet marketing niches, including affiliate marketing, product creation, launching, sales copywriting, startups, social media, and of course, traffic. The 1-minute setup activates 7 complete automated businesses that cross-sell between the 7 businesses with upsells and follow-up sequences to close sales. How can you use this? Use the memberships for yourself, get access to all 7 amazing training series and resource packs. Each could easily be sold for $47, created by experts in their fields. Or you can give away pre-built resource packs created to automatically close sales or sell the products directly, with you keeping 100% of the profits using the pre-built sales pages. Here are the 7 products that are yours. Product 1 is Affiliate Wisdom. It's a 10-part video training series teaching strategies top affiliate marketers are using now in 2021 to dominate leaderboards, automatically capture leads, and send promotions to your potential customers. Product 2 is Copy Cash Cow. It's a copywriting collection, including a bundle of swipes, written for you swipe collection for multiple niches, and special reports covering powerful do's and don'ts of copywriting. Product 3 is Launch Rocket. It's a report containing some of the most cutting-edge tips people can use to help their launch skyrocket. Product 4 is the Fish Method. It gives away 8 complete website businesses with private label rights you can use however you like. Perfect for budding product creators. Product 5 is Social Media Superstar. Give away a collection of resources social media marketers will really use, including calendar planners, social post templates, and more. Product 6 is Startup Survival Kit. This one gives away an hour of training session created by Cindy and her famous Shiny Object Syndrome Killer Kit. Very popular. Product 7 is the Traffic Warrior. The lead magnet funnel gives away a high-quality 10-part video training series teaching cutting-edge traffic methods with a few very new, fresh ones. Here's Cindy explaining the Minute Kit in her own words in a little bit more detail than I went into right now.
Hello and welcome to this short demo video where I'm going to show you how Minute Kit works, everything that's included, and how easy it is to get set up. Now, first up, if you're not familiar with FunnelMates, you're really going to love this because we're using FunnelMates as a platform where we're delivering our funnels. So when you buy Minute Kit, you're going to get access to this whole system. And I'm going to show you the funnel section in just a moment. But to get set up, it's really easy. So we have in settings, you come here, click on settings, add your JVZoo ID in here. Now, if you've never had a JVZoo account or you're not sure what to do or where to find your ID, we've got some videos down here, so you do that. Once you save that, everything is branded. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by everything in just a moment. You're going to get 7 funnels. Each of these funnels has a landing page. So this is an example of one of the funnels that you'll get. So it's got a video on there, a great list of benefits and reasons why they should opt in, and of course the email opt-in form. Now, once they add their email address, they're going to go to this page and they will see a message here to make sure that they get subscribed. We use double opt-in because they're the most responsive kind of list. You're not just having people using fake emails or building a list that will never open your emails. We want to make sure they're going to open. So we show them this page. Now, once they confirm, they're going to see this. And this is your confirmation page. All of the downloads are sent here that we're delivering on that landing page. You'll see here we've got share prompts. We've got all the downloads here and all the download videos. And each of these 7 are completely unique. Now over here you'll see click here to upgrade. This here is where the real magic kicks in, because when they click here, I'll show you, they're going to go over to this page. So here you've got a lot of really good value content. Click here to upgrade, where we have an exclusive one-time offer, and there's a sales video here that will encourage them to upgrade their access, and it's only $9.97, so it's really good value. When they buy here, they're going to get access to a members area. They're going to get access to the advanced series and a few other bonuses that we give them on your behalf. Now, if they buy that, come over here and they will see this upgrade. So this upgrade will give them a whole lot more. So it gives them all of the access here. It gives them 7, basically everything. So everything that you can download in all of the 7. So all of the upgrades, the first one-time OTOs, that whole bundle for $27. There's also a downsell here. If they buy that, there's one more upsell. And in this upsell, we sell them access to the Minute Kit affiliate training, right? We've actually repackaged it so you can sell Minute Kit yourself as part of the funnel. So, and that one there's $47. So you'll see a whole sales letter here showing them exactly what it is that they're going to get. The best thing is you're going to get 100% commissions throughout the funnel. So you'll get it on the $9.97 offer, on the downsells, on all of these upsells. So each of these funnels is built to build your list. It is built to get you sales. And it's not just one funnel, right? We've got 7 funnels. I'll show you that. Oh, let me actually show you this first. So over here, we have a complete follow-up series, and you won't even see this. This happens automatically. When someone signs up for for that free download, they will see a whole bunch of these really good quality emails, and we have a whole month's supply of emails. Now, the beauty of this is we are sending them to your sales page. See this here? Click more to find out today. We're sending them over to your, where is it over here? We're sending them to this to begin with. And as we progress through the sequence, we recommend other pieces, other bits and pieces, right? And they all go with your link. So it goes directly to your sales page, getting you 100% commissions. Now, so you can see, it's got a whole lot of really good emails written, and these will all go out automatically for you. Now we have 7 of these, so you've just seen one of them with the sales page, the access page, download, all like the upsell funnels. We have this one here, which is Copy Cash Cow, Social Media Superstar, and all of these are giving away heaps of stuff. This has got a content marketing social calendar, complete editable templates. So these are ones that you can edit. We've got holiday themed ones for the holidays coming up, so that's perfect. So we have a whole bundle of really great things that social media, people interested in social media are going to want. We have this one here, Shiny Object Syndrome. This one's all glittery. This one is a 1-hour training course and resource kit that it's one of my most popular training templates that we give away. So we've packaged that up as something that you can give away. People really love this one. This one, Launch Rocket. So we've got a launch one on how to create your own products, and this one gives away some really great stuff. This one here, you get 8 PLR products, And it follows up promoting a bundle of like a startup kit kind of product. Again, similar thing, a whole bunch of different, an entire funnel. It's basically an entire funnel. So you've got upsells, downsells, cross sells. And the beauty of that first funnel where you put people in is they will also get promotions for these other products. So you just need to put them into one funnel, give away this gift. This one here is traffic. So this one's all about traffic, and we've got a sales page, we've got dot points. I'm showing you what this 10-part video series will deliver, and this is free. So you can just, if you need a bonus or you've got some people asking about traffic, you can just share your link and then you can build a list and you can get sales. Now, all of this is really easy. You're going to get these 7 automatically added into your funnels page, and I'm going to click over to this account so you can just see what one of them looks like. You'll get 7 like this. You need to just click on the promotional links. Now for this whole funnel, all of the upsells, downsells, everything, if you request for this, and this is in an account that we own, so we guarantee you approval. You don't have to worry about chasing up vendors. So you just need to log in. I'm not logged in on this account, but log in, request, and you'll see it's got 9 products in the funnel. So you can see all of the products in the funnel. You'll get 100% of all of those products in the funnel. So everything is going to be completely tagged to you. So you just need to send one request, and then all 7 of them, all the products in the sequence, everything is branded to you. So you only need to do that one. That one there's just so that we can link within the email sequence for you, but you don't have to request. Anyway, so when you get access to this, you send your request, and then on this funnel link and traffic kit, and we've got everything here for you. So you just, this is your link that's all ready to go. You've got a QR code. This is good if you're doing offline stuff, but we've also got a QR code there. Obviously, you know, specific to this. We have some banners here, so you can use banners. This is really cool. If you need a bonus, like a back-end bonus or something like that, you can just copy and paste and it's already branded to you. If you click here, it'll post over to Facebook, and you can see it's already got your link here. So you can click post to Facebook, post on Twitter, post on LinkedIn, and we have an email swipe here. So if you already have a list, then you can go ahead and just copy and paste, and it already adds your name in here. I'm just using Andrew's account. I hope he doesn't mind. So it'll add your link, it'll add your name, so you can literally just copy, paste, share this, and start building your list. And by your list, you can actually connect your own. So we have a whole bunch of integrations. Connect your Aweber, Get Response, basically any email service provider we have in there. And if we don't, you can contact us and we'll have a look into it and we'll try and get that connected. This platform is, you know, it's years of work that we put into this, and we're really excited to be able to get this in your hands. You'll be able to see your clicks and conversions over here, but because we're sending directly to your JVZoo links, once, you know, you remember at the start, we just put your JVZoo ID in the settings. Everything is branded to you. So all follow-ups go out with your links and everything is hard-coded. All of those, that 30 days will go out on your behalf. After that 30 days, one other thing I should share with you, this system is really massive. So I'm trying to give it to you in a nutshell. Basically, it is very, very easy. It's really easy for you to use and promote, give away these things. It's ready. As soon as you've just put your JVZoo ID and you send your affiliate request, it's ready to start sharing. So, you know, it's so easy. Down here, after we go through that 30 days, we add ongoing affiliate promotions. So whatever we got a typo, so what you need to do is just come here. You can see what products are launching, when they're launching, and after that 30 days we send out promotions for you. So this one here, Quiz Studios, coming up. We've got Marketing Blocks is running right at the moment, so if you've built lists in this, we promote on your behalf. We will just keep promoting for you until these people unsubscribe until they buy. It can be a very, very profitable, it's really profitable just to send traffic to these pages, just give stuff away. I'm very excited to get you into this. This system works. It's an amazing platform. As you can see, we've got a lot of people who are already using them, and we give away cash prizes. Lots of people are active members in here. We've got like hundreds of people who are using this. Come in, use MinuteKit, and it is our biggest and best thing that we've released so far. So I look forward to hearing your experience with MinuteKit and Inside of FunnelMates, and I can't wait to get this in your hands. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
As you can see, you'll have all of this ready to go, very easy to set up. And best of all, you can start to earn as you learn, actually making money as you learn how all the pieces of online marketing fit together. There are a couple of upgrades, OTOs, that you might be interested in taking advantage of. The first is the MinuteKit Advanced, and this is a 10-part video training to 10x your results. OTO 2 is the MinuteKit Source File Bundle. It's the source codes, video, docs, PSD files, everything that comes with it. OTO 3 is the MinuteKit Traffic Booster. And add your links to the traffic rotator so that they'll be able to send the leads to your funnels and grow your list and build your business for you. OTO 4 is the MinuteKit Reseller, where you'll be able to promote this system itself and keep 100% of the profits. And there's also the option for the bundle. It's the MinuteKit bundle offer, where you get the front end and all of the OTOs for one price. And that's what I have for you today. I hope you found it informative, and I hope you take advantage of the offer by Cindy Donovan for a MinuteKit. If you did find it helpful, please click like or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget that you get my bonuses as well if you purchase through my link. Have a good one.